Welcome to the Calendar Basics video tutorial. To access your Google Calendar, there are two things you can do. One, in the URL bar of your browser, type calendar.google.com. Another way to access your Google Calendar is to click on the Calendar link at the top black bar of your browser whenever you're in any Google Apps application. To add an event to a calendar, simply choose the day you wish to add that event to, click on it, and the event bubble pops up. You can either type in the details of the event into this bubble and click Create Event, or click Edit Event to go to the Event Details page and insert your information. Information you can insert regarding the event include the title, what day or days the event occurs on. You can also choose to not have it as an all-day event and have it only occur for a specific time. You can create a repeating event and choose how often that event repeats, either daily, every weekday, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, every Tuesday and Thursday, weekly, monthly, or yearly, as well as other details regarding that event. You can indicate where that event will occur, which calendar you would like that event to belong to, as well as description of the event. Finally, you can also add a reminder to the event, either as a pop-up, an email, or if you've added your mobile device to your Google Calendar settings, as a text message. You can also choose how you want that event to appear to others that have access to your calendar. Once you've inserted the details of your event, click Save. You'll notice now that that event has been added to my calendar. Another way you can add an event to a calendar on the left-hand side of your window. Then choose the drop-down box next to that calendar and choose Create Event on this calendar. That'll take you directly to the event details page where again you can insert the information for that event, then click Save. You can also use the Quick Add button next to the Create button at the top. By clicking the Quick Add button, you can type a sentence that describes the details of your event. Once you've done that, you click Add, and you'll notice that that event has been added to that calendar. Only the Quick Add addition or adding of an event only adds that event to your default calendar, which is the calendar that is initially assigned to your Google account. To delete a calendar entry from your calendar, simply click on that calendar entry, and in the event bubble that pops up, click Delete. To edit the details of a calendar entry, simply click on that entry or event, then click Edit Event. And then you can change the details of that event, then click Save. To move a calendar entry to a different calendar, simply click on that event, choose Edit Event, then next to Calendar, click on the drop-down window or box and choose the calendar you wish to move that event to. Then click Save. You can also modify the notifications for an entire calendar and not just an individual event. To do this, Next to the calendar that you wish to change the notifications for, click the drop-down arrow, then click on Reminders and Notifications. You can then add a reminder for all events within that calendar. If you wish to remove a reminder for that calendar, simply click Remove next to that reminder. You can also choose how you would like notifications to be sent to you and for which events or items you wish to be notified about, including new events, changed events, canceled events, event responses, or daily agenda, by simply clicking the checkbox next to the appropriate item. Once you're happy with the changes that you've made to the notifications and reminders to that calendar, simply click Save. You can also have multiple calendars within your Google Calendars. To create an additional calendar, simply click on the drop-down arrow next to My Calendars and click on Create New Calendar, and then add the details for your calendar. You can also change the view of your calendar from day to week to month or to agenda. You can also customize the view of your calendar by simply clicking and dragging a period of days on the mini calendar to the left. You can also change the default length of any meetings or events you schedule in your calendar by going to Settings, and then under General, scroll down to Default Meeting Length. Click on the drop-down arrow and change your default meeting length. Other settings you can adjust for your calendar include which day the week starts on, whether or not you wish to have weekends shown, your default view, and whether or not you would like weather to be shown on your calendar. After you've made settings to your calendar settings, click Save. Or to disregard any changes, click Back to Calendar or Cancel. This concludes the Calendar Basics video tutorial.